true. But the cat came back the very next day. Yeah, the cat came back. Thought he was a goner, but the cat came back. He just couldn't stay away, away, away. Hey, hey, hey! We gave it to a man going way out west. They told the man to give it to the one he loved best. First the train skipped the track and then it hit a rail. No one is alive today to tell you the tale, but the cat came back.